slippery. Oh, watch out. It's like super slippery there. Okay, I guess.
Okay. Alright everyone, welcome to Ubud.
Yes. We just got welcomed and someone brought us this nice welcome drink. I think it looks a bit better than it tastes. I just can't like get my head around Indonesian orange juice taste.
Yeah, it does taste a bit weird.
I'm not a fan. I think it's because it's like green oranges or something.
So we took a driver from Canggu up. Took about what, an hour and a half, couple of hours or something.
Yeah,
like
I think
that.
it was supposed to take an hour, but took an hour and a half because there's Balinese traffic. It's actually quite nice because we got breakfast included here, and if you go around the corner from our room, there's this super awesome breakfast spot where we're definitely gonna enjoy our breakfast. I think we should just show you the nice view from over there, which is part of the reason why we booked this place. But the rest also seems really nice. The room's really big, it's really nice, the bathroom's nice.
Yeah, so we're just chilling for a moment. As you can probably tell by the looks of us, it's super hot.
Yeah, I need to get some food, some data for the phone. Because also apparently, in case you didn't know, we wanted to buy some data in Canggu, but it's only for the area. So Ubud is only technically an hour's drive away, but the data doesn't count here anymore, which is quite weird, so I'm not sure what that's about. But in case you go to Bali and you want to get some data, just be aware that if you travel around the island, the data might not be valid anymore.
Yeah, it doesn't work, so who knows. And then, yeah, see what Ubud has to offer.
Yeah. I've already been, so I know a few good places. and we're definitely gonna go check out some of them later.
Yeah. Alright.
Sounds good. Alright, so I just want to give you a quick room tour. This is the bed, looks very nice, with a little heart or something, or swans. Like this. Got a little desk here, a nightstand, all our stuff in the way already. The bathroom is also really quite cute. I like the tiles on the floor, shower and some shampoo and stuff. And then you can go out here and have some breakfast here if you want. But there's a different breakfast spot. Alright, and then you can just walk around the rooms, like over here. And this is the view right now, which is like so nice. Just the sun's just setting. It's already a little bit pink over there. And you can see the jungle. I'm going to show you tomorrow as well.
So we're in Tegalalang. So we're in Tegalalang. It's early again. Sunrise thing. Looking for the rice terraces. Quite a famous spot in Bali, but it's turning out to be one of the hardest to find. The way down is through these little paths. And there's no maps, there's no indication on how to get there. We're on one side of the river, we need to get onto the other. And the way to get down here is through this tiny little entrance on the side of the road that we only just happened to see. So, another little adventure.
Good morning from the beautiful Tegalalang rice terraces.
Yeah, good job.
Quite a tongue twister.
So we got here just around sunrise again, hence the look, beady eye look in my eyes. It's massive. It's like a really big And there's no obvious entrance that we saw.
Yeah, or any path or anything. We got really confused in the beginning because it was dark and we didn't know where to go. We almost didn't even find the entrance to the whole thing, and then you're kind of like opposite of the rice terraces, and you're trying to find a way to get like on the other side in the rice terraces, so it's very difficult. It was like tons and tons of people there already. It's actually getting a bit quieter now.
Yeah, weird.
So I wouldn't necessarily recommend going for sunset, sunrise, because I feel like every Instagrammer is trying to go places for sunrise now. So I don't know, everybody's done now and it's getting quite empty, so it's really funny. We're still taking pictures. It was also a bit surprising because we knew you had to like give donations to get in and go like in the rice fields. But normally the rate is about 10,000, which is around 60 cents. And where we are right now, because the view is a bit more epic, the guy asked us to pay 100,000, which is €6. So yeah, you just pay €6 to go to the rice field to take some pictures. I mean, we're both really, sorry.
No, go on.
I mean, we're both really exhausted when we got here. We really wanted to get some pictures, and what's the point of coming if we leave without having the shot if we've seen the movie already? There wasn't really any point of not doing it. We're just trying, you know, trying to do our best.
But the view, I suppose, can be worth the €6. Yeah. Like, we've got to appreciate where we are a little bit.
I mean, it is quite epic. There's like people everywhere taking pictures, flying drones.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but you're not gonna get to see any amazing drone footage because we charged the drone and everything, and it seems like we didn't charge the remote.
As soon as we took it out, it died.
It goes all the way up to 4, but it's just turned off. I'm not sure what's going on with it. Such a bummer. But yeah, what can you do? It's a nice view anyway, so yeah, we still got to show you around, and I hope you enjoy the view with us.
Now, I know we touched on scams before when we were in Kuala Lumpur, but I think you just got to be so careful because we're at the rice terraces, and we got here. You don't have to buy a ticket, you pay a donation to go inside people's rice fields and, you know, take pictures in there. So when we come back to the bike, we're just getting on, a random guy with a ticket book and a walkie-talkie came up and he said, "Have you got a ticket?" And I said, "Oh no, we paid earlier." I said, "We paid in there." And he goes, "Oh no, if you want to be here, you have to pay too." I was like, "No." And he's like, "Well, you need to pay, do you have a ticket?" And I said, "We paid 100,000, which is what we paid the guy for the rice field earlier." And then he just walked off, and now he's just gotten on a bike and driven away. And I've just seen him give tickets to loads of people already. He was just walking up and down the road. So just got to be careful. I'm not saying it's a scam, but what else can that be?
Start it up!
Every morning we come out to our bike and there's a little offering thing on it that they put on there for good luck, I suppose, or safety or something. Oh, it's really nice. There's one on that bike, one on that bike. So we're just taking a drive to this waterfall, had some lunch back in Ubud. We're about halfway and we just came over this bridge, and I don't know where on the map we are or anything like that, but all I know is that we're halfway. But this bridge has got such a cool view. I mean, this is one side, right? Just forest, a couple of houses, a couple of shacks. And if I time this right, I might be able to just cut in front of this car, and this is the other side.
So we're just trying to get to the waterfall. Been on the scooter for an hour and 20 minutes and we're 5 minutes away, and this is the current situation. Here's our scooter. It's not looking so good. Alright, so we made it to the waterfall. You might be able to see it's still raining.
Yeah, in the forest, in the jungle, in the rain, no coats,
No.
shorts.
They gave us some walking sticks.
Got a stick.
We're not really sure what we're doing. We're just trying to go down and find the waterfall.
Because we took an hour and a half here, started raining 5 minutes before we got here, so it's one of those that we might as well try.
We're not going to be able to come back, and I really wanted to go, so yeah. Well, let's just show you the walkway down, and then let's see if we're going to find it. You're totally not showing it. Okay, just pause. So this is the situation. It's really slippery. So watch out. It's like super slippery there. Okay, I guess. You joking me?
That was a different part. I stepped on this bit.
It
Was that bit? Alright, okay.
Did I catch you?
Yeah, you caught me.
Be careful, okay?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if you're gonna pull me down with you.
Maybe this stick does come in handy.
Oh yeah, I agree now.
So we've ditched it so
This was
far.
a bad idea.
It's pouring with rain. So we've taken some refuge in a shack with our new mates, some cows,
Some
and
chickens.
some chickens. But you can hear the rain hopefully. It's like
It's just getting worse and worse. I mean, remember this whole tropical rain thing? When we started going down, it wasn't raining. So I thought, oh yeah, let's just go quickly. So what's the situation, tell me?
stuck in the jungle, in the rain,
Yeah.
in the thunder.
We tried to go, but we weren't sure if we should go up or down, and there was a break in between the rain, and we thought, oh, we're just gonna go back up because we met some people and they said you're not even halfway. We thought, okay, this is no good because we need to go back home soon to work as well. And now we got caught in the rain again. We found another little hut on the way up, but we're still not on the way up. There's a nice little cafe that we could be sitting in, but we decided to try and go down instead. Not very smart, I think, right now, but I think it's just getting more and more, so we might make a run for it, I'm not sure. I'll film you if you're gonna go first.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Okay, this is more than I thought. Watch out that you're not gonna fall. Okay. I'm so wet.
We're going up in Volcano. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay guys, we just arrived at Mount Bator, the start. There's about 300 million people here.
Oh yeah, I'm not surprised.
It's like being at a festival. If I can... No, you can't really see.
No, you can't see. There's still people coming. It's going to be a million people up there.
There's coaches and coaches and buses and buses. And then we're gonna trek up.
Climb up the volcano. Woo! It's going to be my second time, but I'm super excited. I think we're going to go now, get cracking.
We'll get
So
back.
let's do this.
Alright.
It will be 1,000 people at the top.
You think?
1,000.
Yeah. It's going to be busy. Just taking a quick break. And you can see possibly the little dots in the mountain or in the volcano, people just going up. Bless you.
Nice.
Oh god, I don't like it.
No. Alright, so we're part way up. Just taking...
I'm just trying to figure this out. Which way? Like this?
Okay, so...
I don't like this. Okay, like this.
Alright, so we're part way up. It's about 4:30.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ready to go?
Oh, can you see the little lights? 3/4 up. First stop. Half an hour more to go. What's the time? 5:30. That's the view so far.
Said maybe I said
Oh yeah. That's not bad, is it? Pretty amazing.
Yeah, we made it. Only just. Look at that sunrise. Ooh. And the volcano.
Look.
Nice that is.
It's pretty amazing with the rays coming out over there. Hello.
Yeah.
With the red faces.
So it's just past 6 o'clock. And apparently, according to our guide, there's 600 people.
Somewhere across the volcano.
So it almost didn't happen because of congestion. But yeah,
We made it!
pretty cool, right? Oof.
The view is so nice. We're gonna go enjoy it now.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, going back down. It's not the easiest thing, but at least it's not pitch black anymore. What do you think? Oh. He's awesome though. My glasses are asking that.
like this.
Ah.
Magic.
Magic.
Video, you try.
I have the video. Amazing.
You want to see?
The lava.
Lava. Yeah, this one.
It looked like it was really hot. So, funnily enough, I hope you're going to be able to see the tip right here. That's where we went, on the top. Pretty cool, I would say.